Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The ZR2 Silverado is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks, and mirrors, drive build out, push button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the backside, full digital gauge cluster customizable as well. We do have the 13.4-inch touchscreen with the Google operating system. We have push-button ignition. The truck is equipped with electronic locking differentials front and rear, integrated trailer braking system, dual-zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, your automatic shifter knob now in the center. We have the ZR2 only branded interior color with the dark gray, yellow stitching, black accents, Bose audio, and then taking a look at those beautiful leather heated and ventilated ZR2 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado ZR2, we have the big, beautiful 18-inch wheel and tire package with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, the GM Multimatic suspensioning system in the rear of the truck. We do have the blacked out door handles, keyless entry, ZR2 badging on the front fender. Again, a lift kit with that Multimatic suspensioning system up front of the ZR2, 6.2-liter on the hood. Coming to the front, we have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, exposed red recovery hooks, fog lights, flow tie, as well as the LED lights on the grille. Skid plates underneath the body of the ZR2, big lifted 1500. We have rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, fender flares as well, protect the body and the paint. A blacked out rear bumper with rear parking sensors, trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, and the multi-flex tailgate. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready and heated. In-seat storage feature with a sliding rear window with defrost. Extra headroom over top with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports, as well as this is a crew cab, so an enormous amount of room in the back of the truck. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.